Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm gonna show you how to make this super cute DIY Sanrio paper cube decor for your room decor. It is super easy to make, so let's begin to the tutorial. First of all, you're gonna sketch out your cube design on a white paper with a pencil and then outline it with a black pen or black marker with scale. You have to make 6 boxes in this pattern and the measurement should be the same. I'm doing 3 cm. You can keep it 4 cm, 5 cm. It's totally up to you, but the measurement should be the same in all cubes. After that, you're gonna draw out your design. I'm doing my melody. You can do Kuromi, Sanrio, it's your choice. And after that, you're gonna color it up. After coloring, you're gonna laminate it with tape and then cut it out. After you're done cutting, you're gonna fold all the sides of the box like I'm doing. Now you're gonna take a small piece of tape and secure all the box's sides to make it look like a cube. Now you're gonna make 5 more boxes like this. After you're done making 6 cubes, you're gonna choose 2 pairs. Now you're gonna stick all your 2 pairs with each other using a small piece of tape. This step can be a little bit tricky, so please watch this step carefully. After that, you're gonna stick your cube pairs with each other using the same tape method. This step can also be a little bit tricky, so please watch this step carefully. And remember, secure all the sides with a small piece of tape. And finally, your cube decor Sanrio is ready. You can place it anywhere in your room. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and bye bye.